Hello, so this is the first of a series of videos I'm going to make on various software tools that I think are useful for business and especially small business, even if they're not typically marketed toward it. I'm going to start with a program called customer.com, that's customer with a K. They are a lesser well-known customer service, aka true CRM, customer relationship management platform, an alternative to the more widely known Zendesk. But they're much more powerful. They have plenty of funding. The platform is a lot more intuitive and ultimately a lot more expandable. I may make another video viewing it inside so you can see what it looks like. But I'm just going to start off making videos that are interesting to me that may save other customer users some time and frustration if they're new to the platform. Largely because while customer is super powerful, the company has clearly, up until now anyway, been focusing on the product itself and not so much the documentation and build out. They have changed that in the last few months for sure. They got an amazing technical writer, and they recently dropped a full help center that's much better than it used to be and more comprehensive. It makes it more accessible for new users. But here's what they don't have currently is that, and this is, so here's your first tip. If you are a customer user and you're inside the platform itself looking for apps that integrate with the platform, you will see the app directory, similar to like if you were in Zendesk looking at its app directory, and you're going to get excited, you're going to click on it, and you're like, oh wow, what apps integrate? And you're going to bring a few, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 10 apps here, it looks like. Okay, fine, there's like another 14. But not much, right? Not if you're used to like Salesforce or Zendesk's app platforms, and you're gonna think, well, there's not much here. Well, what you may discover by accident, which I did while accidentally purchasing another app for something else entirely, which is guru.com. I recently purchased, which is a AI-powered company knowledge management platform that integrates with Chrome and Slack and other applications. You may discover, oh wow, this thing works with customer. How do you know? Well, the other software vendor tells you it does, namely Guru, G-U-R-U. It's an amazing program. It's not listed here on the app directory inside of customer. So you're like, oh crap, I'm stuck with customers, somewhat limited knowledge base that it comes with. I can't use a cool one like this. Except if you're off looking for this program Guru and you scroll down to Guru's own list of integrations. Well, what do we see? Lo and behold. Well, wouldn't you know it? Customer.com. There it is. It's listed. Wow. Does it work? Guru's customer integration enables users to sync and unify their customer knowledge base articles with Guru and then take advantage of Guru's AI suggest capabilities to predictively surface helpful content in customer when your team needs it the most. Oh wow, I wish customer's internal app directory had told me this a long time ago. Or they even have a video explaining how it works. How astounding. So I'm going here to tell you one thing. It actually does work. Okay, you don't need an engineer. You don't have to call up customer support at customer.com and talk to your salespeople. None of that. You get a free trial to Guru. Click one or two buttons inside of it, and bam, it's working inside your customer.com system. Check it out. So here we go, inside of a conversation. Right inside the box, there it is, Guru. So I integrated with it, and then bam, click one button. There you go, there's your Guru knowledge base. It's got AI suggest would pop up, sometimes not on this one, but you get a little lightning bolt if it thinks it's relevant, and you can gradually train the AI over time, and as you add more knowledge base articles and more training and saying, yeah, this is right, no, this is wrong, the suggestions get better and better. It also works a lot, more intuitively than customers' built-in knowledge base, because you can add articles at the touch of a button inside of, just click it and boom, and off you go before you forget. Whereas with customer system, you have to click through multiple menus to get to the point where you can add an article. It's really great. I highly recommend Guru as an integration for anyone running customer. However, Again, you wouldn't know it exists if you didn't go to the if you went inside customer's own internal like app directory. I found this by accident. Then it occurred to me, well, you know what? How about Google? Let's just Google customer integrations, and maybe some other software companies out there, also integrate with this program. Well, lo and behold, what happened when I Googled it? Okay, so I just Googled customer app integrations at google.com, and look at this. Customer itself has integrations. Look at this. Okay, let's check it out. Here you are. If you're not actually inside the customer program itself, looking at your own internal potential directory of integrations, you see that, look at this, there's dozens of programs that already are built to integrate with customer.com. And we can sort it by category, some really useful things: AI chatbots, business analytics, communications channels, e-commerce, productivity, etc. Far more than you would know if you were actually looking inside customer itself. So there's your first tip. You want to know what growing apps integrate with customer, go to Google instead. Don't go inside customer and look at its internal app directory, because there's a lot more out there than you may think at first. Okay, have fun with customer.